The OPPO Find X was just announced and it looks really interesting. We get leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 screen and there are little to no bezels on the phone. And if you're waiting for that iPhone SE, you might have to stick to this year's LCD iPhone. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I don't think there were many people after that iPhone SE anyways, but you never know. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today, oddly, don't begin with deals, but yeah, let's just say that Samsung just announced their new Chromebook Plus version 2. Specifications are okay, 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage. You know that Chromebooks aren't really that much when it comes to specifications. Still, $500 on the price tag. Let us know in the comments what you think about it. And let's talk about Samsung again, as we've got some trusted sources claiming that we are getting a couple of products in the company's Unpacked event whenever the Galaxy Note gets announced. Apparently we're getting a Galaxy Tab S4. In addition to the Gear S4, apparently we won't have to wait until IFA for that. And we're also getting the Note 9, obviously. Now, the most interesting part is that apparently we're still not sure if we're getting that Wear OS variant of the Gear S4, but the source claims that that's very unlikely. August 9th is the probable date. And how about if we discuss the iPhone X 2018, particularly the LCD variant, as some sources are claiming two things. Number one, that the iPhone SE2 is not happening, that apparently the affordable variant will be this LCD iPhone. And it's not going to look as good as the rest of the iPhones. Apparently it'll have thicker bezels to be able to accommodate this LCD, and that's it. Apparently we're also getting different color options, like the iPhone 5C that flopped. Whatever the case may be, we'll see what ends up happening. And since we're talking bezels, apparently that Galaxy Note 9 will bring some changes. It won't just mimic what we currently see with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Apparently the bezels are going to be shrunk on this phone, dramatically according to the source. We're not exactly sure what dramatically means because we heard that was going to be the rumor for the S10. But yeah, it seems that at the Unpacked we will see that change. That makes a lot of sense in the Note. I just wonder how they plan to also fit that battery and absolutely everything else. And finally, the hottest news today are the shocking news of the OPPO Find X. Or Find 10, I don't know exactly how they plan to call it. I believe it's going to be the Find X. Thing about it is, a lot of us were expecting that this was just going to follow on the design language of the OnePlus 6. No, not at all. Oh my god, this is a sliding, full body sliding module, I believe I could call it, that will provide you both your selfie camera and the back cameras. And the back cameras are huge. We're talking 16 and 20 megapixels for the dual cameras at the back, 25 megapixels on that selfie shooter. There is no fingerprint scanner. Apparently this phone will rely exclusively on facial recognition to unlock. Not sure how secure that will be, but then all the specifications are crazy. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, in addition to all the bells and whistles that we expect from a flagship. Yes, I cannot wait to get that phone in the Pocketnow labs for review. But let us know in the comments, what do you think about the OPPO Find 10? Do you think that this is how the future of smartphones should be, considering that we're going with less bezels? This display is 92% screen to body ratio. In my case, I'm just curious how long that mechanism is going to last. I will tell you this much, I've used a ton of OPPO phones. Their quality is superb, but we'll see. Let us know in the comments what you think. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the HTC U12 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.